Today I am going to share egg stuffing onion chop recipe. It's so delicious and easy to make. Onion, peel and cut. Slice it. Done. Onion to cup. Transfer to the bowl. Green chili 3 teaspoon. Coriander leaf 2 tablespoon. Turmeric powder ½ teaspoon. Chili powder 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder 1 teaspoon. Maggi noodles masala 2 teaspoon. Salt to taste. Mix. Garam flour 1 cup. All-purpose flour ½ cup. Mix. Done. Rest for 10 minutes. Boiled egg 6 pieces. Cut into half. Done. Onion mixture. Egg slice. Onion mixture. Make a egg shape. Done. Fry. Stir. Flip. Fry until golden brown. Done. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.